I said it before and I'll say it again.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Steph, and today, like if you saw the end of my vlog, I am packing for San Francisco, and it is a chaotic mess. However, I'm going to San Francisco for a week, and I wanted to share with you guys what I'm packing, especially because San Francisco is kind of a interesting weather situation. I'm sort of packing like it's early fall here in Canada, so kind of like that 15 to 20 degree segment. But the tricky part of that is something that I would wear at 15 degrees, I would be way too hot in 20 degree weather, but it's like the layering that what makes it comfortable. So I'm going to try my best to pack without overpacking, and I wanted to share with you guys that. So the very first thing I decided on is I'm gonna bring 2 pairs of shoes. I'm definitely gonna bring my runners, which are my Yeezys. I always wear these. I'm gonna pack these. Normally, if I'm going in like the summer or something, these are the shoes that I would travel in. But because I actually wanted to bring another pair of shoes for a little bit of variety, and also because I do wear these so much and I wanted to like switch things up, I am gonna bring another pair of shoes. So, chaotic. So my choices were between these boots. They're both from Aloha's. They're literally the same shoe, just this is the knee-high version and this is the mid-calf. The consensus amongst my friends is that I should bring these. So I think this is what I'm going to bring. Because they're so big and so heavy, I will be wearing them to the airport. I do have Nexus, so I don't have to take my shoes on and off at security. Big determining factor in the shoes I wear. So I will be taking those, and these will be staying here in Oakville. If you disagree, I'm so sorry. By the time you see this, it'll be too late. Then we move on to outerwear. I'm bringing two pieces of outerwear that can be both casual and more formal, and then I'm bringing one kind of more athletic, athleisure. So the first piece I'm bringing is my Babaton faux leather blazer. Just to show you guys. So it looks like this. It's a little bit oversized. It's got the shoulder pads. I opted for the leather blazer instead of the regular blazer just because it's a little bit warmer and it blocks the wind a little bit better. So we're gonna do this. I also want to bring this because I haven't really had too many chances to pull this out since I have purchased it. So I thought that bringing it on a trip where I'm forced to style it all the time is going to be the move and kind of get me kick-started in how I want to style this. The other jacket that I'm bringing is of course my Ghana jacket. You guys have seen this so much. This is in the color heather beige, but yeah, it's just a staple. You guys see it all the time. It's super comfy, super warm. This is what I'm going to travel in. I'm just gonna wear like leggings and the Lululemon half zip, the keep warm half zip, something like that. Keep the heat half zip. This is so chaotic. It's just this. It's super warm, super easy to layer, and then I'm gonna wear a pair of leggings. We're gonna do that, and then I'm wearing this and the leggings because the leggings are actually a part of a few of my outfits. I've decided to challenge myself and style a little bit more athleisure on this trip. I normally wouldn't, but I decided to try it out and see how I feel because I really like on Pinterest and stuff a bunch of these like legging outfits, but then I don't actually wear them myself. So I thought that this weather temperature was the right opportunity. And then if we wanted to do any walks or hikes in the Presidio or something like that, I have this layering piece that I can just wash, hang out, and then it's ready to go. So the last jacket that I'm gonna bring is this. It's this half zip from Lulu. It's a pullover. I'm gonna wear this on the plane, layered underneath my gunny jacket. So putting it on, you can see it's just like this, but you can then tighten it and like scrunch it up. Really cool. Even this is kind of a cool outfit. And so yeah, I brought this because I can wear it like doing casual things, or you know, workouts, walks, that sort of stuff. Yeah, which is cool. It's a good easy layering piece, and it's super light. So for instance, on a day where I'm just going to be wearing a sweater perhaps, I can bring this with me because it's super light in my bag and layer it up if I need to. So, okay, moving on to pants. The first pair of pants that I'm bringing, I'm actually wearing them. So I'm gonna move it down. Hello, sorry for the messy bed, but this is my pack. I'm bringing my Rebel pants from Aritzia. One, my Melinas are at my condo. Two, I may or may not have gained a little bit of weight and my Melinas don't fit me very well right now. So I'm gonna wear the Rebels, which fit a little bit more forgiving around the waist section. Okay, we're not going to talk about that. Anyways, so I'm bringing them. They're cool, they're ankle length. They're a straighter leg, skinnier leg, so for my boots I can tuck them in a little bit easier. It all worked out. And then I'm also gonna bring this tank top. If you're wondering why I'm wearing stuff that I'm gonna bring, it's because I was trying on outfits. Yeah, there we go. So, oh, I can sit down and do this. Cool, changed ankles. I'm bringing my high loose tapers from Levi's. They really look like a 70s, 80s mom jeans sort of vibe. I really like them. I think also like wearing them either with sneakers or with the boots, because they are the tapered. Really like the look of them, and they're very comfortable and they go with a lot of things. The only thing that I have to say is now that the weather is colder, I really wish I had these in like a slightly darker blue wash. This is a bit bright for my mood at this time of year, but it is what it is. So, and then I'm gonna bring the leggings, which I already said I'm wearing them on the plane. Oh. Then beyond that, this is chaotic, I'm not kidding you guys. I'm going to bring my Sunday Best Tatiana skirt. I was going to bring a leather skirt, but because I'm not bringing my regular blazer, like my regular crepe blazer, and I'm bringing the leather one, I thought that I would bring the more satiny skirt to just mix up my textures and give me something to play with. And then if I need to pair it with either jacket, I can, whereas I feel like with the leather skirts, I like to mix my materials. I don't really always love wearing like a leather jacket on a leather pair of pants. I'm not sure why, but I thought, you know what, I'll just pack this instead. Maybe I will bring a leather skirt just in case, but I need more room for tops than pants, so I thought I would do this and get something that's a little bit more universal. Okay, I'm bringing 3 knit sweaters. I don't actually think that these should be any surprise to you guys if you follow me on Instagram, because I wear them all the time, and because I wear them all the time, I am going to be bringing them because I feel like I just want to push my style boundaries just a little bit, but I don't want to go too much. So I'm bringing this sweater from Weekend Stories. It is a more slouchy, oversized, slightly mock neck knit sweater in beige. And I'm bringing my Babaton, the Group by Babaton Illustrator sweater. No surprise, love this sweater so much. I love it so much that I bought it in another color, and I honestly kind of want the gray. Bought it in this color. The beigey color is on the way, and I want the gray. But yeah, and then finally I have this Wilfred knit polo sort of collared sweater, which I love to wear. I can wear it with either the Rebel pants, the skirt, or the jeans, anything like that, but I can wear this day with jeans, night with rebel pants, and I feel like put together and warm and cozy, so love that. Then I'm bringing one sweater vest, which is this one from Wilfred. It has more of like a textural knit thing. I really like this because, for instance, if it's 17 or 18 degrees, it's probably a little bit too hot to wear a long sleeve underneath one of my jackets. But if it's windy, I think I'll want to wear a jacket. So this, which is sleeveless, gives me the illusion of having like that crew neck sweater, but I'm not super hot. It's a great layering piece. I can wear this with any of the bottoms that I got. I specifically styled it with the skirt and the blazer over top, which I really liked. But yeah, I don't know. I feel like everything's gonna be. It's cute. I don't know. Yeah, this is just showing you guys what I got and me talking through my thought process. Then I'm bringing my perfect crew neck. Obviously, I wear this so much. It's such a easy piece to just like grab, throw on, carry with me, wrap around my shoulders, like all that. Like this outfit, so cute. Anyways, so I just got that. I'm also bringing my cropped hoodie to wear mostly with like my leggings and stuff if we're gonna go for hikes, walks, that sort of vibe. But yeah, it's just hanging up because I'm still waiting for it to dry a little bit. You can see like the wet patch. I washed it and I'm now in the process of drying it. I totally forgot. Okay, I'm also bringing my I'm bringing my Lord & Taylor cashmere crew neck. I feel like in my brain, I feel like 15, 16 degrees is not knitwear weather, but then I remember what I wear actually here in 15 and 16 degrees, and it's very much like knitwear. So I'm gonna bring this again to just like layer over like my tank tops, my t-shirts, wrap around, wear it at night as a sweater. So it was just another like knit option and another like little layering piece that I thought would be appropriate for the occasion. Okay, so to go with my skirt, I'm bringing 2 pairs of sheer techs. They're just the ones that I got. I figured sheer techs while traveling was better because I don't have to worry about them getting pulled in my suitcase or anything. So 2 pairs of sheer techs. Then I'm bringing 2 bodysuits. They are the exact same bodysuit, just in different colors. This is the Babaton 90s contour bodysuit in clay and in white. Bringing these because I wear them so much. I'm gonna bring 2 Sunday Best carry tanks. One is in the wash right now, but I'm bringing it in gray and in white. Lots of layering pieces, lots of things to build up. I then am bringing 2 Uniqlo crew necks in white. And I'm also, surprise, bringing it in black. So yeah, those are just to either wear alone or layered under my sweaters and stuff so that I can kind of rewear my sweaters multiple times without having to wash them if I'm not like super sweaty or something. So it's a good trick for traveling. I then am going to bring my Uniqlo Heat Tech turtleneck. This is just my basic one. Just because at night I want to be able to layer or wear this alone if I feel like it. I'm then bringing my long sleeve Lululemon top. I forget exactly. I think this is the Pace top. I totally forget, but it's in this nice mauvey color, which I can totally wear with like my Rebel pants, or I can wear walking and stuff like that. That's kind of the whole purpose of this. And then we're almost done my clothes. I'm going to bring this black Lulu sports bra to either wear with like leggings on its own or like to tuck things in or like while I am working out, but I brought this more as like a on show piece, and I will bring other sports bras and stuff. So I brought this to wear with like my leggings layered with a blazer or something like that. And then finally this Babaton contour scoop neck crop shirt to wear, also with like leggings or with these pants or something as like a cropped black situation, and then with obviously like a blazer or jacket over it, just kind of like cool girl vibes. So that's it. Then I'm bringing 2 bags, my Lululemon crossbody bag and my Sunday Best Goldie bag. Well, this is so cute. Just to give myself the option of like what vibe, because I feel like with my sneakers, the crossbody does definitely like go more together, but then if I want to contrast, putting it with the boots adds a little bit of something, but then I feel like I end up a little too matrix looking. And then for dinners and stuff like that, the Goldie bag. And then I don't know if I'm gonna bring a tote bag or not. I kind of want to, just for something to like carry my like sweaters and all of that sort of stuff in, but genuinely I feel like that's like too many bags. So I'll keep you updated on mine. You'll see in the photos. But that is everything that I'm bringing with me. Again, sorry for the mess. I've been packing, but yeah. Maybe I'll show you guys like my travel toiletries and like all the makeup and stuff when I'm there. But I haven't actually decided on that yet, and I need to go and actually figure that out. So anyways, so that's everything that I'm going to pack. I think if there are more stuff, you guys will probably see it in like either the vlogs or on Instagram, TikTok, something like that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was very chatty and a little chaotic, but I just wanted to share with you guys kind of what I was bringing and why I was bringing things and kind of the situation that I'm packing for. And you will see my outfits as I go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.